Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Windows 11 text is rendering as unreadable symbols or missing characters, your system font cache is likely corrupted. I will show you how to rebuild your font data and restore your default text right now. Let's get started. First, you can force Windows to reapply its original default typography settings using the Legacy Control Panel. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and press Enter to open the application. Navigate to Appearance and Personalization, click on Fonts, and select Font Settings from the left sidebar. Click the Restore Default Font Settings button to immediately revert any conflicting custom font changes. Next, to manually clear out corrupted font data, you must temporarily halt the background service managing it. Press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter to launch your System Services menu. Scroll down to locate the Windows Font Cache service in the alphabetical list and right-click the entry. Select Stop from the context menu so you can safely modify the system font files without restriction. Finally, deleting the damaged cache file forces Windows to generate a completely fresh font database upon reboot. Open File Explorer and navigate exactly to the C:\Windows\System32 directory. Locate the specific file named FNTCACHE.DAT, right-click it, and select the trash can icon to delete it. Restart your computer so Windows can automatically recreate this file and display your fonts perfectly again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.